Hey everybody, how are you? Yes, it has been a moment or two. I didn't post the end of last week. Just took a little break, was busy working on things. I'm working on some lecture programs now for LGBTQ+ History Month. They're on topics that I haven't spoke about in some time. I just hadn't requests. So I did a program, and I'll show you a little DVD cover called Aftermath. And I'm a little bit of a historian on that murder of Matthew Shepard and such. But I'm doing a program in October, 3 of them. One is for concerning Matthew Shepard. It's a choral presentation. I'm doing a Afterglow talk back, and that's going to be up in Wilmette, I believe, in October. And then October 7th, if you're here in Illinois also, I'm going to be at Downers Grove Library on October 7th. And I'll give you more details as we get closer to that. So, and all are welcome. But that's what's going on, and booking other things. So if you're looking for a speaker for LGBTQ+ History Month or this fall, I am the guy to book. I got a lot of stuff to talk about, a lot of things to bring your spirits up and give you hope and peace and belonging, which we all need right now. So check out my URL, gregrbaird.com, a revamped website. It all looks great, and would love to come to your community. So that's what I've been doing. Market Days weekend, Northalsted Market Days weekend was a success this weekend. It was busy, had a couple rounds of storms. We've been having some really bad storms. Like when it rains, honey, it's like a flood. And that happened on Sunday, right around the afternoon sometime. I want to guess like maybe around noon or 1. So I was at Market Days on Saturday. You're going to see a little video and pictures right after this. But a lot of people, a lot of good looking men, honey, a lot of good looking women running around, everybody. People were like doing their best. But a lot of good music and different acts and food and things like that. One of my favorite cover bands, the Planet Claire band, on Saturday afternoon at 1 o'clock, they were at the Belmont stage, and they're a cover band for the B-52s. I love them. I just wish more people had been in attendance and that they were maybe had been booked later in the day. Would have been great. Saw Jessica Kirsten, comedian, and I don't recall a comedian here in Market Days before. Leah Delaria, I guess, was here before years ago, but if you haven't watched Jessica Kirsten, she does a lot of crowd work and really funny. But I had a huge crowd Saturday night at 6:30, so I did that right before the storm came back, and I exited out of the crowd because it was massive crowds. It was the last gay high holy day, honey, of the summer. So you'll see some video and things like that. I got to run soon. I'm having a little maintenance done on my car. Yes, yeah, show me the money. But doing that in a busy week ahead. So love to hear from you. Subscribe, like, and share, comment, all that good stuff. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're being a good human. Hope you're taking care of your health and all that good stuff. I will see you on Thursday. So enjoy the pictures, enjoy the video. Yep. I'll see you later in the week. Take care of yourself. Bye.
I'm joking. If you're not gay, I'm anorexic. I mean, you're single as fuck, maybe because you go up to women and go, ah! It's going to turn them off because we're afraid.